Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is just on how to install a doorknob when the actual doorknob is blocking the screw holes. So we're gonna on how to install this doorknob. I've already installed some of the hardware. So pretty much you're gonna take it apart. You're gonna put it through the door over here. And then basically over here, you're gonna line this up. And this one actually has a plastic piece that will line up the screws. But the problem is when you have the doorknob like this, is that you can't get to the screw hole if the screws are already in there. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick on how to get the screws in and then eventually screw it in tight. So you're gonna do it with your fingers and you're just gonna slowly thread it into the hole over there, and then you're gonna do the same for the other side. And you don't have to thread it a crazy amount. You just need it to be able to bite so that you can actually pull back the doorknob. So once the doorknob is like this, you can fit your drill, screwdriver, whatever you're using to tighten it. So over here, I'm gonna be using a DeWalt screwdriver, and I'll be able to screw it in little by little. So you're gonna do half on one side, half on the other side, until they both just go in. So one side is completely in. We're gonna do the other side now. And now the doorknob. So a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.